we are working with images that are in a vector mode, which I'm just going to read it so that I can explain it to you better. So a vector graphic is artwork which is made up of points, lines, and curves that are based upon a mathematical equation rather than solid colored pixels. So see here, it says convert to bitmap. Usually, when we make a drawing on paper, we scan it or we work on different things. We work with where it's bitmaps, where everything is, like when you take a picture, like, oh, it's so pixelated.